Tired of complicated gym routines and bulky equipment? You can still get a full-body workout at home with just 10 minutes of your time and no equipment needed. In this video, we'll show you simple, effective exercises that target your whole body for a quick, fat-burning workout. Stick around for a bonus tip to maximize your results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow fitness tips and workouts. Ready to get moving? Let's dive in. Jumping jacks. Begin by standing with your feet together and your arms relaxed at your sides. In one fluid motion, jump to spread your feet wider than hip width apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky. Then, quickly jump back to the starting position, bringing your feet together and lowering your arms back to your sides. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm, ensuring your movements are controlled and fluid. Keep your core engaged and remember to breathe naturally throughout the exercise. The jumping jack is a classic move that helps elevate your heart rate, warming up your body and preparing your muscles for the rest of your workout. It's great for activating your whole body, especially your legs, arms, and core. With each repetition, aim to keep your form strong while gradually increasing the intensity, helping your body get ready for the more challenging exercises ahead. Squat pulses. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulders, toes pointed slightly outward. Lower into a squat position with thighs parallel to the floor. Instead of standing all the way up, pulse up and down a few inches. Feel the burn in those quads and glutes. This move shapes your lower body while keeping your heart rate elevated. Plank to push-up. Begin in a forearm plank position. One arm at a time, press up into a high plank or push-up position, then lower back down to forearms. Alternate which arm leads. Keep your core tight and hips stable throughout the movement. This exercise strengthens your shoulders, triceps, chest, and core all at once. Speed skaters. Start by jumping to the right side, landing on your right foot while sweeping your left foot behind you. Simultaneously swing your arms across your body. Reverse the movement, jumping to the left. These lateral movements challenge your balance and work your outer thighs and glutes while giving you a cardio boost. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with hands behind your head and legs raised with knees bent at 90 degrees. Alternate bringing opposite elbow to opposite knee while extending the other leg. Keep your shoulders lifted and focus on the rotation. This exercise targets your entire core, especially those obliques. High plank shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position with wrists under shoulders. Without shifting your hips, lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, then return to plank. Alternate sides. This move challenges your core stability and shoulder strength simultaneously. Reverse lunge with knee drive. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Step one leg back into a reverse lunge, then drive that same knee up toward your chest as you return to standing. Alternate legs. This combination move improves balance, strengthens legs, and adds a cardio element with the knee drive. Mountain climbers. Begin in a high plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion. Keep your hips level and core engaged. Pick up the pace for an added cardio challenge. This exercise fires up your core while getting your heart pumping. Squat jacks. Start in a squat position with feet together. Jump to spread your feet wide while maintaining the squat. Then jump feet back together. Think jumping jacks, but in a squat position. This compound movement works your legs, glutes, and cardiovascular system. Full body burpees. The grand finale. Begin standing, then squat down and place hands on the floor. Jump feet back to a plank. Perform one push-up. Jump feet back to hands. Then explosively jump up with arms overhead. Modify by stepping back instead of jumping or removing the push-up if needed. This ultimate full-body exercise challenges every muscle and maximizes calorie burn in our final 45 seconds. Cool down. Great job! Now let's take a minute to bring that heart rate down gradually. Start by marching in place, focusing on deep controlled breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Shake out your arms and legs to release any tension. Then, roll your shoulders backward and forward in slow, deliberate circles to loosen up. As you cool down, Aim to feel energized and refreshed, not drained. This cool down helps your body transition from intense activity back to a relaxed state, leaving you feeling strong and accomplished. You've earned it. Stretching. Now, let's take a moment to stretch those muscles you've worked hard. Start by reaching overhead with both arms and gently lean to one side for a side stretch, feeling the stretch along your torso. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Next, while standing, pull one knee toward your chest, holding it gently with both hands to stretch your hips and glutes. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds on each leg. Finish with a chest opener. Clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift your arms, opening up your chest and shoulders. Hold each position for 15 to 20 seconds to help relax and lengthen your muscles. Benefits breakdown. In just 10 minutes, you've worked all major muscle groups, boosting your heart rate for improved cardiovascular health. Depending on your effort, you've burned around 100 to 150 calories, making this a quick and effective workout. The compound movements not only target multiple muscles at once, but also enhance coordination and functional fitness, which is key for performing everyday tasks more efficiently. This short, intense session provides a full-body workout, strengthening both your body and endurance while improving your overall fitness level. Keep up the effort, and you'll feel stronger with each session. Consistency tip. The beauty of this workout is that it fits into any schedule. Do it first thing in the morning to energize your day, during your lunch break, or even as a quick evening stress reliever. Commit to this 10-minute routine 3 to 4 times weekly, and you'll notice improvements in strength, endurance, and energy levels. And there you have it, 10 minutes, no equipment, full body workout complete. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more time-efficient workouts. Comment below with how you felt after this quick session. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. See you in the next video.